How to embed Jotform in Wix. So in order to embed your Jotform in your Wix, I have in here my form from Jotform right here. You can see my products and I see in here some elements and something. Now into this, we just need to head over and publish this form first. And then from in there, you can see this under the quick share. So since we want to embed it, just head over and click on this embed option. And let's choose in here this iframe option. Then click on this copy code. Once the code has been copied, we need to head back right here to our Wix editor. Now into this, click on this plus icon. And then after that, onto the quick add, scroll down until you reach the iframe option. So just drag and drop it wherever you want to put it right here. Once you have done that, it should be able to show in here this. So click on this enter code and then just paste in here the code that we got from Jotform. Click on update. And then after that, they should be able to create the form and embed it right here, and you can just resize it if you would want. So that's how you embed Jotform in Wix. Hope we helped.